escape from lower races, especially Middle East, Indian, and African. If you want to escape lower races, you can try. But in one condition, do not try to get the American guy by showing that you are rich and American need to marry you. When you try to avoid lower races, right? So you want to show like rich, right? How rich? The way you are trying to escape from lower races are rich people behavior, right? So if you want to show public that you are rich and you believe that if public see that, they will marry you, right? So, and Chinese can escape from all lower races without catching American. Am I right? Do you see the differences? Because like Chinese are using like they want to escape from lower races, right? What did Chinese do? What did Chinese do? Try to escape from lower races, right? So when you try to escape from lower races, please do it correctly. Do not use that your escape. Do not use your escape. Do not use your escape as you are rich and try to get American, right? This is the first thing. Do not use it. Do not use your escape as you are rich and try to get American. Number 2, tackling normally, if you try to avoid lower races, your chances to get upper races are high. Generally speaking, this is generally, not normally, generally, right? Generally, try to get upper races are high. So if upper races did not want to marry you, you need to accept that one. Are we all clear for that too? You can try to escape from lower races. Am I right? You can try to escape from lower races. But when you are trying to escape from lower races, you also need to accept upper races didn't want you, right? So if you want to escape from lower races, you can try. But in one condition, do not try to get the American guy by showing that you are rich. And when you try to avoid lower races, right? So like you want to show public. You want to show public that you are rich. So how rich? How rich? The way you are trying to escape from lower races are rich people behavior, right? And also this is the first way. How rich? The way you are trying to escape from, like the same like principle. Urbana Middle School, African principle. Wanted to show Chinese community that African can buy almost homeless Chinese woman Kelly by using arranged marriage. So technically, African and all lower races believe that if they can show that they are rich, they can get upper race gay ladies. American or Chinese. Right? Right? So that one is true for some flat or low class women, low class of upper race women. So technically, the principle and all African and lower races are right. But we know that American and Chinese have very strong discrimination minded. That rich way will not work on upper races. Period. Am I right? So if you want to show the public that you are rich, you believe that if public see that you are rich, they will marry you. And Chinese can escape from all lower races without catching American. What did I say? Chinese can escape from all lower races, but in one condition. But in one condition. But in one condition. Chinese are not supposed to catching American. Are we all clear for that one? So even everyone can see that if Chinese try to escape from lower races, the chances that Chinese can get American rate are higher, right? This is the second point I'm talking on the top. So Chinese need to be very careful not to catch American by showing that Chinese are trying to avoid lower races. The same like lower races show in public that the way they are trying to avoid Indian and African are rich people way. Are we all clear for that one? So I'm going to stop right here.